Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how eating cardamom can improve your personal life. If you are planning for pregnancy, this is going to be a great information for you. In this video, you will get to know how cardamom can help you in improving your fertility to conceive better way, or improving the fertility, how you should be consuming the cardamom. We will know in this video. There is no doubt into it that your personal life will lead to a better life. Eating cardamom is a very natural way which will make your relationship better. And on to top of it, it is quite easily available. Elaichi or cardamom looks this way. If you are seeing this video from a place where you do not have an idea about the cardamom, you can definitely buy it from the offline or the online market. It is available all across the globe. That is not an exaggeration that cardamom is known as queen of all the spices, at least in India. Eating lychee will induce your desire to make relation. And this is definitely one tip that will boost up your chances to get pregnant. Cardamom can be consumed in many ways. You can drink it in tea, you can use it in the vegetables you are making. Also, it is widely used in sweets, and you can also directly consume it by chewing. The nutritional value of cardamom is quite high. So let me tell you what is the right way to consume cardamom to make the relation strong and to enjoy in a better way. The method is quite simple. You have to boil 1 or 2 cardamom in the milk. You do not have to add anything. Boil the milk properly. Once the cardamom added milk is cooled down or it is lukewarm, at this time you need to add honey as per your wish. Now you have to drink it. Not only you, both the partners can drink this milk, and believe me friends, you will definitely see the more of the orgasm, the more of the coordination to make your relationship working out in a better way. Cardamom has got good amount of antioxidants and zinc that will improve your immunity. Having a good immunity is definitely a boon. You will not be stuck very easily with the problems like cold, cough and small viral infections. Cardamom is also known as a natural detoxifying agent. For men, eating cardamom or elaichi is considered a boon. It is believed to increase the male fertility. Drinking the cardamom milk will also regulate your blood pressure. Cardamom and milk both has got magnesium that will improve your blood pressure and relieve you from the high blood pressure problem. Cardamom is also very good for your stomach. If you are having a problem of constipation, indigestion, bloating, gas, you can go for cardamom tea or the cardamom milk. It works great on the problem like acidity and heartburn. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are watching us for the first time, consider connecting with us. We will connect in another informative video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.